Frickin' Orion 7 OG Diesel, get the hell out of here. Okay, I don't hate you. I obviously don't hate you. I love those buses, but don't like that they're right outside Mount Dennis garage. This is not where you live, buddy. Go back to Queensway. In fact, the 71 is a Queensway route. Very oddly enough, to make matters worse, frickin' route just loops around the garage. It's just mind-boggling. It's so frickin' weird to see. I've only been on that route once, and probably won't. Anyway, we're here back outside the Mount Dennis garage. And yes, a lot of buses are pulling in as it's the near end of afternoon, now evening rush hour. Today being the 29th of May, 2023, Monday evening. All the buses are in there. Hopefully don't get copyrighted by this music. Obviously they're just working on the combustion transmission engines, which is something they really have to take care of before they all retire by the end of this year into next year. But the main reason why I'm here is because I want to get a close-up look at some new electric buses, or actually hybrid buses that will be in service later, very soon. This is all Orion Central. Technically, I'm not allowed to be doing this. I'm basically like walking on private property, and I am being watched, but I'm on a public sidewalk. But I've seen some people get their fair share of photographs of the new Flyer hybrid buses, which they're not in my sights. Oh, look at this, 1113 just retired. Obviously, I gotta be extremely careful here because I am being watched. But unfortunately, I thought I could, I don't know how recently, like, people I'm subscribed to, like, they've managed to, like, they're right in front of a driveway, right? And then, and they actually, and the new Flyers are just, like, parked in there, but they're not even here in my sight. Like, what the hell? That's a Canada Post, facility. I will be back on 1081 in probably 15 minutes. But seriously. So these are two Proterra electric buses. No new Flyers whatsoever. That's a shame. Oh, the vehicle that was literally parked there as I was riding the 171, she has left. But look who we got now. I also saw one inside Mount Dennis Station on the way here, but I doubt that guy's still there. Or maybe that's the same one. Look at that, eh? Now it's like the 4th time I've seen them in action. But I think this is gonna be on part of a series of random clips. Are they gonna? Is he gonna keep going all the way through? Oh my god, when will this friggin' line open? It looks ready. It looks absolutely ready to enter service. And now we're all blaming the government, friggin' crosslinks. By the way, this is one half of a car. Because the vehicles, so they're basically like 5 sections. Yeah, I'm just taking a picture.
Like, what?
Pardon me?
For what purpose?
I'm just a transit enthusiast.
You are just?
I'm just a transit enthusiast.
You are just transit?
Yeah, I'm a transit fan.
Okay, but you can't take the picture like that, you know?
I can't? I'm going to take a picture of the freaking LRV.
Yeah, I know, please. For security concerns, you can't do that.
Fuck you, man. Don't tell me to mind my own fucking language, you fucking idiots. I'm just taking a picture of the LRT.
Who you are?
Pardon me?
Who you are, idiot?
No.
What else?
I'm taking a picture of the LRT. Guys give me a hard time here. Yeah, go fuck off, mind your own business. Fucking loser. Suck my cock. Don't like my swearing too bad. Yeah, I'm on a public sidewalk. I'm not doing anything wrong. That guy has some kind of fucking nerve. Son of a bitch. And that fucking guy was also unprofessional. But hey, listen. We got up close. Yeah, fucking guy is going back to his goddamn portable. Yeah, I'm not even obstructing the camera in there. I'm sorry. This is gonna be its own video. Oh, he's heading back. Yeah, I'm not going back there. I'm just gonna wait for the 171 down there. Fucking prick. I'm just a fucking transit enthusiast. It's not a problem if I'm taking a video of the LRT. Why you gotta be all so fucking paranoid, fucking asshole? And if you don't like my swearing, go and fuck yourself. I don't know why people still have to complain. Oh, just because I'm swearing. Well, guess what? I'm sorry to say this, but yours. Okay, he's heading back in there. I'm just not gonna say it again, but oh, I'm coming back from the 935. This is what's wrong with. I'm not even on private property. I was like tons of feet away. Tons of feet away from that. Guys, no clue. Yeah, fuck off, loser. Oh, he cannot be filming. He cannot be taking pictures of the LRT. Yeah, shut the fuck up and go fuck yourself. Yeah, yes, that's right. He gave me a peace sign. He gave me a fucking peace sign because he knows that there's a lot of transit enthusiasts out there that take pictures of those goddamn beasts that are soon to be retiring. Very, very, very soon. So no problem if I'm doing that shit. Yeah. Fuck you. Fuck you. Already in a pissy mood. Anyway, we're gonna... Oh great, he's still watching me, yeah. I'm getting the hell out of here. We're gonna title this video, Unprofessional Security Guard Interrupts Me from Filming the LRT. Yeah, thanks a lot for ruining my fucking shot. But shout out to the guy of 1018 giving me that peace sign. Very proud of that guy. I have respect for people like him, but not fucking idiots like this security guard. When's the next fucking bus stop? I do not want to miss it. I just want to get the hell out of here. Hey, waved at me. Truck guy waved at me. See? Nice guys out there in this area. Nice guys. Oh my god, where's the next bus stop? Okay, where are you? Where are you? Where are you at? Okay. I think fuck, I just missed a stop.